Yes, I can. What about you?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Okay. Actually, I was saying I'm really good. I'm really good today because I got to do two jobs. I will do two more jobs. I will not be only English teacher. I will do two more jobs. So, but both jobs are related to English. So it will be fun, definitely. Okay. And how was your day so far? Can you please tell me what did you do so far today?
I actually pretty good today, and this time next week is my last day of school before I have a TED holiday.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And do you have exam or what will you do
I think that
next
after
week?
TED for a week, after TED holiday for a week, I will have an exam, and the TED holiday in my school lasts for 2 weeks. So I will I think that it happens on 2nd of February to 18th of February. And my
2 weeks?
first
Wow.
subject, my yeah. Okay, but do you know that Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam, and it's also one of the I think one of the cities with I think that it's the shortest TED holiday of workers. Workers can only rest for 7 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but me is 2 weeks because that I think that my holiday session that is I think that it inspired by the I think that the Hanoi University of Education or HNUE, and because of the students in that school, the university, that they are having a holiday session for 2 weeks. So because my school is a part of them, creating
Mm-hmm.
a very large area. So I can rest at home for 2 weeks. I think that does not mean that I will be staying at my hometown for 2 weeks because my parents can only rest for a week, and for a week I will stay at home. And I think that instead that I think that I think that I can't let it freely. I think that I have to do some revision about some of my subjects because after that I don't have much time, and the literature now is very hard. This consists of the Chinese poem. Yeah, we learn about
Chinese?
Chinese poem in the literature. Yes, we learn about
Why?
Chinese poem.
Why?
Oh, I know. Do you know that the poem have rules, and that rules is very complicated. Yeah, that rules is kind of very complicated, so we have to memorize all of them. And
Mm-hmm.
this is I think that this will be a challenge to be learn about the Chinese poem, and it's also very hard. And about the marks, I think that we learn about a completely new thing. Yeah, I think that I will doing a completely new things. And I don't know what does this mean in English. So I think that do you know about this word? If you don't know, then I will send you an image about this. Okay.
Just one moment. I want to see it.
Do you know about this word?
Constant. No. What
Okay.
is this about?
So I will type this thing is I think that I will type the mathematics things about this thing. So I will okay. So I will send you like an information about this, and this is me writing. Since I have already learned this, it's very complicated too. So this is going to be a challenge. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
wait.
Let me see.
Okay.
You're still typing. Okay.
Okay, it's it's a little bit complicated, so I hope that you understand.
What is that? I don't understand. Can you try to explain me?
Okay, so for example, if a car is drive at 60 kilometers per hour, yeah, a car. Yeah, so I think that I also typed in the chat box so you can know. Because I said that I have a very good that I mispronounce. Yeah, it's a very complicated, so I hope that you understand. This is a modified version of it.
If a car has a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and it drives
X kilometer. Yeah, with X is a number.
Okay.
So the distance is 60 multiplied by X kilometers. Yeah, we can know about how to find distance if we know the speed and wait. I think that wait. I know. Wait. Okay. Wait. Yeah, this is very complicated. And first, I'm studying it. I don't know what that thing is. But after a little bit, that I know about it. I think that another thing that I might this is one part of the tests and is another type. So wait. I also learned about the equitation. Do you know about that? I think that I will give you an example about this. I will give you an example about a kind of equation. Yeah, now you know about the equation. Yeah, that is one or two part is a thing that you can find x. You have to find the x.
Okay.
And
do you want me to?
Yeah, solving this.
Do you want to?
Yeah, solving this. Yeah. So
I can
solving
find
this
it.
means we need to find all the x. We have to find all the x that are in here. That the two pair at the left and the right is have the same having the same value.
Okay, I can find it if you want. Okay, let's me. Okay, but I just want to have one question. When you have here this, okay, I just don't want to get wrong. 2x. Okay, is this multiply? Is this multiply? Okay, the next one. Just one moment. I need to find. Okay, after this you have this one sign that I don't understand what you want to say about after 2x and after that what is that?
2x is 2 multiplied by x. So I think in grade 6 or grade 7, if we multiply and there is a at x, y, z, a, b, c, it's called a thing that we don't know. A thing that we don't know. And we call if we have a number that is thing we already know with a kind of x, we don't know that we can like I think that we can reckon this. That is we've said 2x, which means that 2 is multiplied by x.
So it will be something like, if I see, it will be something like this. Just one moment. Just one moment, please. Give me 1 moment, please.
Okay.
If I see correctly, if I understand you correctly. Okay, okay, something like this. Is that right?
Yes, this is the kind of equation. This is the easiest way. But in the test, it's not as easy as this. It's much harder. And if it come from square to cube, x squared is now x cubed, and it have some very complicated mathematics mechanism that I need to solve.
So it will be if I remember it will be something like this. After that we have here something like
this is we can solve it. Oh wow, I think that you're already pretty good at math. And x is equal to 1. No, it's equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. So we get something like minus like this. Okay, and x.
Yeah. Also, we have to simplify this. We have to simplify
minus 1.
This.
Okay, I just give you as far as I can remember. Yes, we used to have this in our school. Yes, I'm I love these problems, math problems. When I see these problems, I love to solve these problems. Wow. Yes, X.
So I think that there is another part that we use this in some real life problems. Okay, so I think that I will give you the math problems, but not this thing anymore. So I give you an example about solving a real life problems using notation. Okay. So okay. I will type you. I like to think about this. So wait. Okay, it's very complicated, but this is the math subject that I like. I use in my math book, so you can read about this. This is a real life problem. Yeah, these are real life problems that we have to solve about. We can use. Yeah, can you solve this? Maybe that you don't.
Give me one moment, please.
Okay.
So they make, if I understood correctly, they make 145 products more. Is that right?
Yeah, but we need to find that the amount of products that each team produces if they didn't exceed the set plan. So we need to find the normal. They should produce, but exceeded the set plan by most of these percent. So they produce more than 145 products. So we need to find like the normal plan. If the first plan that which wait, I think that will change a little bit since that we went solvable. One of it produce wait, I did the change. Okay, it will be a little bit easier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
I think that we can just stop reading about these and you can try to solve this after this class.
Okay, so I think just one moment, please. Okay, so they okay. It's complicated, but I think that I can solve this. I can solve this, but I need time to solve this. I need a calculator and everything else with this. But okay, and okay, let's try like this. How would you solve this problem? I will not lie. I will tell the truth. Okay, so how would you solve this problem? What would you do to solve this problem?
Okay, so I will solve this. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, I need wait, I think that I write the wrong thing. I will try to read it again. Wait. Okay, wait for me a little bit.
Okay, no problem.
Wait. I need to change these things one more time. Okay, I change it again and I will type in the chat box. Yeah, maybe this is one of the most interesting things ever that we talk about math instead of English.
Yeah. When I was in your school, I used to be in one math competition. Yeah. But it was a long time ago, so I didn't practice math so much. But as you can see, I'm familiar with math. I know to solve some problems. I can solve it.
Right. I think the tip will take a little bit of time, about 10 minutes. So I think that you should do anything you want and stop your work while I'm doing this.
No problem, no problem. Don't worry about me.
Okay, solve it. This is kind of hard.
Okay, let's see. We call the amount. Okay, can you try to read this?
Yeah. So we call the amount of products that team one should produce. Should, which means that the first plan is X, with the condition that it has to be larger than 0 and smaller than 800. Wait, 900. I fixed it a couple of times, so it's definitely left some problems. Okay. So that means that the amount of products that team 2 should produce is 900 minus X. Because that both teams produces 900 products and team 1 produce X, which means that team 2 produce about 900 minus X. And the amount of products that team 1 exceed the set plan is 0.15X, because 15% is equal to 0.15, and they produce X%, which means that the amount of products that they exceed the set plan is 0.15X. And then similar to that, the amount of products that team 2 exceeds the set plan is 0.1 times 900 minus X. So that means that we have the equation that is 0.15X plus 0.1 multiplied by 900 minus X equal to 110. We solve this, and X is equal to 400, and it satisfies the condition. So the team 1 produces 400. So we, I think that I will just put the number. We change the X to 400. So team 1 produce 400 plus 0.15 plus 400 is 460 products, and team 2 10,010 plus 460 is 550 products. So yeah, we solve this. We solve the real life problems by making an equation, and we caught the thing that we don't know is X.
Okay, so these similar problems we used to have when I was your age, we used to have in our school, the similar problems, but now the problems that, for example, people are having right now, okay, or students that you're having right now, it's these problems are not so bad, not so difficult. I don't want to say bad, use the word bad. Okay, so they are not so difficult. Like here, okay, is this one of the hardest problems on your exams, or or some problems can be harder?
Okay. Okay, so yeah, I think that this thing is very complicated, and lots of students have mistakes, so the entire thing is wrong. Yeah, I think that the math problems in grade 8 is just that a midterm test consists of that two things. It is very complicated. And you know that there is a very hard problems. You know that Vietnam has a points from 0 to 10. It's not F to A plus like some foreign countries. Yeah, Vietnam is scoring points from 0 is the worst to 10 is the best. And the math test is very special. It has a very hard question. It costs 0.5 points. So it makes a difference between the 9.5 and 10 by that problems. Because most of the things is easy. But that last the last thing is very hard. The last question is very hard and very long. But it's only 0.5 points. There is testing some skills, and they sort out some good students. So they have the 0.5 points question at the end. It's super hard. Only students that score studying a lot can know. Yeah, this thing is kind of very complicated, and we just spent about, I think, the 40 minutes talking about the math problems in the grade 8 and in my midterm test. Yeah, you know, it's very complicated, but with me, it's just normal. Maybe the first time you learn about this.
For example, we used to have, like I mentioned, we used to have similar problems, math problems. For example, now problems on the final exams or preparation for some difficult tests. Okay, so then students are having something like this in our country. I just compare my test that I used to do when I was for example, when I was in your grade, let's say in your age. It's a quite completely different. Okay, it's really different when I compare, because these math problems that our students are having right now in my country, they're so easy. For example, this first problem that you gave me when x is -1, this is one of the hardest problems for the students. They don't know to solve this problem. This is and I think it's not so difficult. It's not so difficult. This problem is not so difficult. It's let's say maybe it's easy for me. Okay, but I didn't touch math problems for a long period of time, long time. So I can say that in this new system that we are having right now in my country, we can say that students become, I will say, stupid. Okay, so I will use the correct word. Okay, so they want to make, for example, our students to be not so intelligent, not so. The system wants the students to become stupid. This is really bad, because when I spoke with you earlier, okay, you are trying to develop your brain to work better, to work faster, to improve your knowledge about everything. And I know that you like calculations. I know that every time when we speak about certain things, okay, you always use calculation. This is something that is really good in my opinion. But today's students, they are so lazy. They are really lazy. For example, when they want to when they want to have some problems like this, they become so, I don't know how to describe it. And when I saw, like, you have in my country, you have, for example, when you finish your primary school, when you go to the first grade of your high school, you need to do one test, math test for Serbian language or like literature, okay, and English test. You need to do 3 tests. Okay, so students on math test, this is something that is ridiculous. You maximum points that you have during this period of time, I think it's around. Let's me think. How was it? You get maximum points that you can bring from your high school or from your elementary school is 60 points. After this, you have 20 points, maximum points, 20 points from math, 20 points from Serbian language. And English is not decidable, but you do English test and they decide if you're ready to go to certain school, but it's not decidable. And math problems that I used to have are really complicated. I take a look when I will give you on our next class. I will show you these math problems because you don't need English or something else. These problems were so difficult. Okay, like this problem, last problem that you showed me, yeah. And yes, and this kind of problems we used to have, but now it's when I saw the problems that they have, those are not problems. This is a joke. This is a joke. This is like an, I don't know how to say it. This is too easy. This is something like okay, like this. Okay, I will type you like okay, let's say like this. Okay, you need to find out how much is x.
Yeah, it's
this is ridiculous.
I think
this is ridiculous. Okay, so
-8, 6 is equal to -8. So x is equal to -8
yeah.
-8 and 6. Yeah,
yes.
-8 and 6.
Yes, but this is, but yeah, but they have, for example, these problems that they're having. They have problems like this. 20. They have 2 hours to solve these problems. 2 hours. Okay, and this is one problem. And
So
okay,
whole hour that is so it's great. I think that kind of great form.
2 hours to solve 20 problems similar like this. Similar.
Yeah.
But can you imagine? 2 hours.
Yeah.
You need 45 minutes for this. So nothing else. 1 minute to do it. 1 minute just to check one more time, is everything okay? Just to check. 2 minutes. And if you have 20 multiply with 20, that is 40 minutes. And 5 minutes, okay, let's double check quickly everything. 45 minutes, now nothing more. And no. And students, and when I, for example, the common problem that they're having, for example, train will go from place A to place B. I don't know. The distance is 300 kilometers. The train go fast. Trains regular speed is 80 kilometers. How long does train needs to come from place A to place B? This is ridiculous. You understand?
Yeah.
So if they go 80 kilometers, it's like this, and you will see how much is it. And after this amount, you do like, just one moment. You do like this, use calculation. It's like 3.75.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can simplify 300 per 8 to 30 and 8. You're not that minus, but divide by 8 is so easy. That
Yeah.
if there's any demical, I think that demical points. That it will be like 125, 250, 375, 500, 675, 750, 375,
Yes.
and 000.
Yes, and these
It's
problems
really
are okay. These problems are ridiculously easy. Okay, so that is something that is really easy, and children have these problems. Okay, so it's not normal. This is 3.75 hours. Okay, whatever. So that means 3 hours and, I don't know if I correct, and 45 minutes if I calculate correctly.
Yeah.
I'm using my head. I'm not using calculator. 3 hours and 45 minutes. Ridiculous. So, okay, Khang, can I go to the toilet, please?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Wait, we have 5 minutes left.
Okay.
Before we end the class here.
Yes, just give me. Okay, I need to go to the toilet, please.
Yeah. So I think that I will see you in the next class.
Okay, we can continue. Okay, I will manage another 5 minutes. It's not a problem. So you mentioned some other problems about literature. Okay, what are the assignments for literature? What is something that you have to do on literature exam?
Literature exam. I read an essay. I don't know what. Okay, so I think that I will analyze a Chinese poem. Yeah.
Okay, and
So
do
I
you
think
know?
I can write a Chinese poem for you. I think that, but it's written by a Vietnamese Vietnamese people. Wait. Okay, so I will write to the floating. This is a kind of Chinese poem. This is the floating cake. the floating cake is only 4 sentences, but it consists of many things. My body is white, my face softly rounded, rising and scanning like mountain in streams. Whatever my hands may shake me, at the center of my heart is red and true.
And what do you need to write about this?
I need to unlist this. Do you know that this is about, do you know about the floating cake in Vietnam?
No. What is that?
Okay, so I will send you about the floating cake in Vietnam. Wait. Vietnam floating cake. Okay.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Okay, so you can look at this and you can look at the sentence. My body is right, my face softly rounded. Is it true? Is it true? Yeah. This is white and it's face and it's softly rounded. It's true. And is rising and sinking like mountain in streams. This represents the cooking. But when cooking, that is in water, which means it's rising and sinking. Rising and sinking. And whatever white hands may shake me, whatever white hands may shake me is the represents like the recipes, which means that they were like to make this round, they have to use the hand. So they shape it. At center, my heart is red and true, which means that even though that I am like being demolished by the hand's pupil, I still round and beautiful. Yeah, but this is not for only the floating cake. This is to describe a woman in the early 1800s. It's very complicated, so I will sit with you in the next class.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Then I will explain to you about this kind of poem. It's very complicated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so we can stop here. Okay, so see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I wish you a good night. I know it's late in your country. I wish you a good night. I really enjoy today with math problems.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.